Hi guys, welcome to this review of the Galaxy G1 airsoft gun. I'd like to start by saying it's about £11 and I got it from a small shop in Devon, but it's also available in blue, red and orange on justbbguns.co.uk. Okay, I'm going to look inside the box. First you get the orange pistol, about 30 to 50 high quality white BBs. I've used a few. This pistol is about 5.5 inches long, about just over 3 or 4 inches down. It's based loosely on a Makarov pistol, and it's got very good iron sight on it. And I'll be demonstrating the shooting test later, but comes with a neat little magazine. Doesn't lock, but it holds 7 BBs, and it locks into place like that, and the release button is that black button there. This whole gun is made of zinc alloy, apart from the little grippy bit here, the trigger and the mag, and also this little button. It's all made of metal apart from that, and even there's a little chromed barrel there, which is cool. And now I'm going to show you what this gun sounds like when you dry fire it. Really solid pullback action, and so really loud and really powerful. Like I mentioned, that this gun shoots about between 30 and 40 meters, and has a spin up on it, and it gives the BB quite a lot of lift, which means if you're shooting at about maybe 8 meters away, you'll need to aim below the target because of how it goes upwards. So now I'm going to do a firing test for it. I'm going to be shooting at this paper target. It goes straight through to cardboard box. Just move that. You should be able to see quite clearly where the bullets hit. It's so powerful. The bullets will just go straight. Okay, I've loaded the gun up with 5 6mm bullets, and now I'm going to be shooting from a distance of about 3 or 4 meters. Okay, shot 1. 2. 3. 4. And 5. Okay, so you can clearly see 5 holes here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So it shows how accurate this gun is, even though it's from a small distance. If you'd like me to film a firing test from a range of maybe 8 meters, then please leave a comment below and I'll get back to you. Please rate and subscribe this video, and subscribe to my channel. This is Guitar Z, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Out.